my good people? I'm back again. Welcome to ICO Reviews, and today it's time to review Memority ICO. It says data storage revolution on blockchain. Now, let me play you the video about Memority to explain what is all about.
Memority is a blockchain-based platform for encrypted decentralized data storage. Memority is completely decentralized and secure, unlike current top services and similar blockchain-based projects. In Memority, users pay for data storage directly to hosters. Our team is from Ukraine, Estonia, and United Arab Emirates. Memority pre-ICO starts on May 16th. You can buy tokens with a 20% bonus.
So it revolves around data storage. So let's go down. And token sale with 5% bonus is live. So they accept Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Visa, and MasterCard. So you can pay with fiat currency no matter the country you're from. As long as you have a MasterCard, you can pay with that. So let's scroll down. So if you want, all you need to do is to click on invest and you start. But before I go further, please do not forget I'm not your financial advisor. Do whatever you want to do, make your own decision. Anything I say in this video is strictly my personal opinion. Now, Memority is a platform for a completely decentralized, ultra-secure storage of valuable data on the blockchain, which ensures the continued availability of several encrypted copies of data on unrelated storage locations around the world. So, you can see here the features: data is encrypted with your private key, data is protected from accidental deletion, data is protected from forgery. The system is completely self-contained and independent. Now, they say features. What features should the platform have for the most secure data? Now, they are showing you all the things you can. If you use Dropbox, you use Amazon, you use Google Drive, and all these different ones, and they are giving you the advantage of Memority. For instance, storage decentralization. They are claiming that Dropbox does not have, Amazon does not have, Google Drive does not have, Terra does not have, storage has, SIA has, Filecoin has it, and Memority have it. So like this now, only storage has it and Memority is going to have it. You can see the difference. And this one, the select process of file copies, checking and restoration. None of this data storage has it except for Memority. So you can see the advantages. They are letting you know why Memority is better than the rest. So these are the reason why Memority is important. Now these are these team member, and I can tell you honestly, I try to get the team members, but if they are real, if they are genuine, I'd like to find videos about any one of them. I'd like to find out if these pictures are real or coming from somewhere. But I get to know that they are real. I can't find anything negative otherwise. Otherwise, I must tell you. So now I was able to find a video from their official YouTube website about this guy. So because we want to be sure if this ICO is real or not, if the team members are scammers or not. I'm very worried about that. I know many guys, all of you have lost money investing in ICO. I've lost huge amount of money investing in ICOs too. I have in the past. So the lessons I have learned from it, that is why I decided I'm going to open my own YouTube channels and to help people to get the ICOs that are not scam, that are real. And every ICO's reviews are done on these reviews are ICO that I'm sure they are not scam. Of course, I'm not superwoman. I can't get all the information, but as far as humanly possible, I can see that an ICO is real. So for this, I believe it's real. I believe it's real. Now I have a video of this guy Alexander Pivtorak. So let's watch. This is Memority ICO 2018. They have a conference in Singapore.
Blockchain-based platform for completely decentralized encrypted data storage. Before diving into
let's go back a little.
Data storage.
Oh, I'm trying to get the face of this guy for you.
Data storage.
Fine. So you can see. Let's check. There's the guy. There's the guy. So I'm comfortable with this.
Before diving into how we do it, let's take a look at what others are doing wrong. First and foremost, most current data storages are centralized. So it means all your data is in one place. If something's wrong at the server, you don't have your data anymore. And also, usually, your data is not even encrypted. So here we arrive at our second issue, no effective encryption. Your data is protected, sure, but not encrypted. This means...
So you can see, so I can tell you now that the team members are real. At least we can see one of them on the video. I mean, that gives us an assurance that this ICO is not a scam. It's not a scam. Now, the white paper. This is the white paper, and here to read the paper, you can see that they have the total supply is 1.5 billion token. So 57% of it goes to the ICO, and every information you need to have. So if you are from United States, these are United States, China, except Hong Kong, Macau, and Taiwan, South Korea, Cuba, Iran, North Korea, Syria, and the Crimea region are prohibited from participating in ICO. The information of this citizens of this country, users will be authenticated. So if you are from this region, from China, from United States, from South Korea, from Cuba, Iran, North Korea, Syria, you cannot participate, and also a Crimea region, you cannot. So in their followers, they have 2,295 on Twitter, and on Telegram here they have 11,705. So you can see there are more visitors from Philippines and from Nigeria, from Egypt, from Ukraine, from Belarus. So this website are getting more visitors from this country. Now, who is Memority? The register in 2018, February 2019 is going to expire. Tallinn in Estonia, that's registrant contact. Tallinn, Estonia. Let's see if this work with their with their white paper. Let's check the white paper down. Let's check this down. Pam. Da. Okay. So this is registry code. You see name Memority, like and you can see is Tallinn. Tallinn is in Estonia. If I'm right, I'm sure I'm right. Tallinn is from Estonia. So having checking everything out, I believe this is ICO is real. I believe it's genuine, it's authentic, and they have something huge to give out to us. And let me check Filecoin. I know about these two coin. Let me check more. See if this coin is in market cap. So now these are cryptocurrencies on their own that works with data. So we can be sure that Memority should be a good one. it should be a good one. So thank you very much for watching my review. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you a million times. I really appreciate it. And please don't forget to sign up to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. I'm going to leave the link for this ICO down below. Just click on it and sign up for the ICO. Thank you very much. Thank you a million times. Until next time I come your way, this is ICO Reviews.